Today, we're not just architecting an AI receptionist, we're building a whole new business from the ground up.
I mean, what if you had a digital employee that works 24/7, capturing every single opportunity?
Well, that's an AI receptionist. It's a system that literally turns missed calls right into revenue.
So, how does this thing actually work? Let's take a look under the hood. Every AI agent like this is built on three core parts: the brain, its memory, and its tools.
First, you've got the brain. This is a model like Gemini that handles all the reasoning. Then, memory gives the conversation context, so it's not constantly repeating itself. Super important. And tools? They give the AI real-world abilities, like actually booking an appointment. And get this, you can build one of these yourself in under 10 minutes with zero code. On a platform like retailai.com, you just follow 6 steps. Upload business info, connect a calendar, set up a human handoff option, write a core prompt, pick a voice, and then deploy it to a number. That's it. So you see, this tech isn't just powerful, it's a straight-up business opportunity for anyone. These agents are saving businesses tons of hours and capturing leads they would have otherwise just lost. And that's exactly why even beginners are charging thousands for just a single setup fee. But the opportunity doesn't stop there. This is where you get into steady, recurring income. You can offer monthly services like maintenance, call analysis, or even adding new custom skills. So the only real question left is, who's going to be your first client?